Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, November 7th. We are looking at Window Traders' market profile of the ES and SPY. So, again, I wasn't here a good part of the day. Came back around 1:30 or so. And when I came back, the market was purely in balance. We had a 9 for 9 wide point of control. We end 9 wide. I'm a little surprised that with the lack of volume, energy, or anything, that the market went trend and, more importantly, held it. So we go trend. We finally took back. I'm not surprised we took back the second trend day from the Fed day. I'm a little surprised we held trend, but we did. We closed above the 50-day moving average. Again, one day doesn't make a market. Again, for my money's worth, after being 9 for 9, once we took out the day's high and got Friday's high, again, this market has been short in the last couple of days, right? After last Wednesday's flush out on the Fed. So as you get closer to the election, which starts tomorrow, obviously, God knows when we'll find results out, I guess the higher you went, the more short started getting a little nervous. And once we got into the upper distribution, we do have a price void above us. There's only that 12 wide point of control, and then Wednesday's high from last week, which is way away. Qs also go out with a double distribution day, but they never even got into their singles, let alone fill them. They did not get into them, I don't believe. If they did, it's barely got into them if they did, but didn't take it back. They go out with a price probe and not a big one. Russell didn't even take out its IB, high or low, but they didn't have a trend day from the second. They had already taken it back. So a lot of different things here. We also probe, but like I said, unless we're at least 40 cents higher or lower than the previous time, that on the probe, I'm not going to use L's high or whatever time frame's high was the high when M does it. So we do go out with a double distribution day. We actually had a chance for a triple. We had a small set of singles in L that got filled. I only did 2 trades today. Came back, looked like finally in J period they wanted to pop the top. I took a small long, which worked out. And then again in M, it looked like they wanted to probe. I took a long to see it pop above L's high. Right, two quick trades. I mean, when you come back late like that, you're not sure what's going on, even though not much was happening. And the reason I even took that long is because when I got back, I noticed they raised POC in H a little bit, and they raised it again in I. So then that I figured, you know what? The odds are with overlapping a higher value, indices that are higher, that they would take out the IB high. So again, just a very, very small day to trade. As far as destinations, on the upside in SPY, we have today's high of 380.57, then that 12 wide POC all the way up at 382.44, and then that daily high of 388.63. For the downside, we have the single prints from today, 379.49 get filled at 378.39. So they're still $1.10, aren't they? I didn't realize they were still that big. No, they're not that big. I have the wrong. They got down to 379.20, so 379.19. I'm sorry. I didn't think they were that big. 379.19 they start at, or 18, and get filled at 378.39. So they're just about 80 cents. Then we have our 9 wide point of control from today of 377.26, F's high. Today's low of 370. In ES, we have, for the downside, single prints that start at 08 and get filled at 3,800.25. Then we have 88.75, which is our 9 wide POC, and today's low of 77.25. For the upside, we have today's high of 21.75. Then you have that 12 wide POC at 43.50 from the second. And then 07 is that daily high. And then, just quickly, on the charts, I'm just going to show you the daily in SPY. Now, some people, we were talking about this in the room. The monthly and weekly are balance. I'm going to call daily up since we one time framed up 2 days and got above the 50, even though one day doesn't make a market. Some people are going to say they're going to keep this all in balance until we take out either Friday's high or even Thursday's high, which is the weekly balance high. I'm going to call it up. If we take out today's low tomorrow, we come right back into a 3 or 4 day balance. If we take out today's high again tomorrow, again, to me, it's just up. I think tomorrow we might get more of a replay of today. We'll see if we open above the price spike, which was when Jay took out B's high. So we'll see if we do or K took it out. We'll see if we, no, it was J. We'll see if we get any kind of acceptance above that tomorrow and keep going. If we don't, well, then you're certainly going to go back to, here's what I feel. If you stay accepted above it and we take out today's high, odds are we'll go get that 12 wide POC from the second. If we fail and get below the base of the price probe from today, we'll get today's 9 wide POC, obviously, and stay in balance. And then we'll see if this is clearly a case of the last couple of days of buy the rumor because of the GOP's most likely taking over and causing more gridlock, and sell the news, or if it's something more than that. Anyway, I hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll speak prior to the opening.